When the governor vetoes a bill, it takes two-thirds support in both the House and the Senate to enact it into law over that objection. This week, the legislature cleared that hurdle for the first time this year. The Montana Secretary of State's office confirmed Friday that House and Senate members had successfully overridden Governor Greg Gianforte's veto on House Bill 368. The bill redirects $2 million a year in coal tax revenue to a new state account, intended to help Colstrip pay for water supply if the power plant there closes down in the future. The city's current water system was built and paid for by the operators of the plant. In his veto letter, Gianforte said he appreciated the goal of the bill, but that, quote, "When allocating funding to local projects, I believe that funding should come with appropriate sideboards and guardrails." Unfortunately, House Bill 368 does not. Republican Representative Gary Perry of Colstrip sponsored the bill. He says he's committed to working with the governor next session to clarify that the money will only be used for water projects, but that overriding the veto now means they can get started immediately on funding the account he calls a fail-safe. As of Friday afternoon, Gianforte has vetoed 39 bills, 9 of those coming in the last week. In many cases, he cited the cost of these bills, and the ones he's vetoed have included more than $60 million in annual spending. The largest price tag was on Senate Bill 537, which would have used about $35 million a year in marijuana tax revenue for law enforcement and behavioral health programs. The governor has only about a dozen bills from the 2025 session still on his desk, but they include several of the biggest. House Bill 2, the main budget bill, House Bill 5 with more than $100 million for long-range construction projects, and House Bill 924 proposing hundreds of millions of dollars for a new state trust. With the latest round of vetoes, it's not only the most bills Gianforte has rejected in a single session, it's also more vetoes than in the 2019 session, the last time that Montana had a Democratic governor and a Republican legislature. In Helena, Jonathan Amberian, MTN News.